Friends, exercise 4.3, it's question number 4. The sum of the reciprocal of Rahman says in year 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 by 3. Find his present age. Here we assume let the present age of रहमान bx, रहमान का आज का एज x है. 3 years ago the age of रहमान was x minus 3. अगर आज आपका एज 50 इयर्स है तो 3 साल पहले कितना एज होगा? 50 माइनस 3 कितना होगा? 50 माइनस 3 यानी 47. अगर आपका आज का एज 50 है तो 3 साल पहले का एज कितना होगा? 47. रहमान का आज का एज क्या है? x. बिफोर 3 इयर्स या 3 इयर्स अगो his age was x minus 3. यानी जितना भी एज आप इधर एज्यूम करो उसमें से 3 सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. अगर 3 इयर्स अगो दिया है तो if here is given 10 years ago you have to subtract here 10 from x यानी x minus 10 करना है. And 5 years from now 5 years from now the age of Rahman will be x plus 5. अभी इसको भी समझ लो. अगर आपका एज आज 50 इयर्स है, 5 साल के बाद आपका एज क्या होगा? 50 plus 5 यानी 55. We can say directly रहमान का आज का एज है x. 5 साल बाद उसका एज क्या होगा? x plus 5. Simplify of these two are possible, but x plus 5 का simplify नहीं होता है, वो ऐसे ही रहेगा. So 5 years from now, the age of Rahman will be x plus 5. Now what is saying in the question? The sum of the reciprocal, यानी ये दोनों का reciprocal करना है. So reciprocal of x minus 3, the sum of reciprocal of x minus 3 and x plus 5 is 1 by 3. So what we write, friends? 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal 1 by 3. Once again, ये दोनों का रेसिप्रोकल का सम हमको दिया है 1 by 3. सो वी राइट हियर 1 upon x minus 3 plus 1 upon x plus 5 is equal 1 by 3. Now friends, we learned in question number 3 उसके जैसा इक्वेशन होगा, इसको सॉल्व करना है. LCM भी x minus 3 x plus 5. ऐसा सेम लाने के लिए देखो हमारे पास x minus 3 है. Here is x minus 3. This is the common term which is remaining x plus 5. So we multiply x plus 5 here. Also we multiply in numerator x plus 5. So here we write x plus 5 plus ऐसा सेम लाने के लिए देखो इसमें x plus 5 है तो क्या बचा इधर? x minus 3. So multiply here x minus 3 in denominator and also in numerator. So we write here x minus 3 is equal 1 by 3. Now here 1x plus 1x 2x, 5 minus 3 plus 2, x into x, x square, x into 5 plus 5x. Now 3 into x minus 3x, 3 into 5 minus 15. is equal 1 by 3. Now we do simplify here. This 3 multiply here and this term we multiply here. But before that, 2x plus 2, the simplify of these two xx, x square as it is, write the sign of the greater number. 5 minus 3 2x minus 15 is equal 1 by 3. Now here we do multiplication. 3 into 2x 6x, 3 into 2 6. So 6x plus 6 is equal. Here we write x square plus 2x minus 15. 0, x square plus 2x minus 15. This 6x we take that side, it became minus, here minus 6. X square, 2x and minus 6x minus 4x. Sum of these two minus 21. Now, find 2 parts of 21 whose subtraction is 4, multiplication is minus. Find its 2 perfect part whose subtraction is 4. 7 3 का 21. 7 में से 3 जाएगा तो 4 बचेगा. Give the sign of the middle term to the greater number and opposite sign to the smaller number. Whenever the multiplication is plus, middle term sign given to the greater number and opposite side to the smaller number. Here x square minus 7x plus 3x minus 21. We take common x here, here x minus 7. We take common 3 here, x minus 7. So one bracket is x minus 7 and the other is x plus 3. X minus 7 is equal to 0. X plus 3 is equal to 0. X is equal to 7 and x is equal to minus 3. The negative is, the value of is negative is not possible. The value of is negative is not possible. So we write here x is equal to 7. So thus the present age of Rahman is 7 years. ये आंसर होगा फ्रेंड्स. It's very easy, very simple. Enjoy this, friends. Thank you very much.